On the player page in TennisDataApp, you can explore detailed stats for every player active from 2021 onwards. Let's look at one of the best in the world, Yannick Sinner. At the top of the page, you will find the Player Props tool, which combines player statistics with betting-style markets. With this tool, you can set a line, for example over 4.5 aces, and instantly see how often that happened in Sinner's matches. You can filter the data even further by tour, match format, surface, match result, and opponent ranking. You can also check over and under stats for many other metrics such as double faults, breakpoints, and more. This tool works in a very similar way to the head-to-head props tool available on the match page. For the time frame, you have plenty of options, from the last 5 matches to the last 3 full seasons. And when you click on any column in the chart, which represents a specific match, you will see quick stats for that match displayed below the graph. This tool is ideal for finding, checking, and validating player props before making a decision. Next, you can quickly check the player's achievements during the current season. This is a simple and fast way to understand where the player stands out compared to others, across many of the metrics we cover. It also includes negative stats, so you can spot not only the player's strengths, but also the areas where they may be weaker than the rest of the field. Of course, in Sinner's case, there are no negative stats. Before we move on to the Stats panel, we have the CSV downloads. This is one of the most important features on the website. Each file contains extensive season data and is extremely useful for player analysis or pre-match research. The best way to use it is with the help of AI, and we covered this in another video on this channel. You can also find ready-made prompts for different types of analysis. The Stats panel is the biggest section on the page. By default, it shows the current season, but you can also check previous seasons or the last 10 matches. The data is split by surface and tour type, but for now, we'll look at the overall split. Inside the panel, you will find sections for service stats, including detailed pressure point splits, return stats, break points, yields as favorite or underdog, games and set statistics, and match patterns. For male players, these stats are also split between best of 3 and best of 5 matches, including Grand Slams, for a clearer picture. At the top, there is a small navigator that shows you exactly which stats you are looking at, which is useful because this section is quite large. After the Time on Court section, you can also view the betting over and under stats from the Player Props Finder tool, this time displayed in table format. That is basically it for the player page. You can use it for a quick check before a match, or spend more time digging through the numbers if you want a deeper read on a player. The main idea is simple. Everything you need is there, from recent form and season stats to props, surfaces, match patterns, and downloadable data.